You are going to learn how you can record your mobile screen in Samsung phone or any other smartphone. If your phone does not have a built-in screen recorder, by following these steps you can record your screen any Android phone. So move to the Play Store, download here an application named X Recorder. Click search, and this second application named Screen Recorder X Recorder, I have already installed it. I will also show you how you can use this application. Simply click open. And here you need to click this you need to click this option to start your video recording. By starting it, you can record your mobile screen. I am currently recording this screen, so I cannot click this. If I click this, the video will stop. Once you start your video, you need to click on this feature. You can pause your video here, and you can stop your video by clicking this. Also, you can use this brush option to draw some arrows. Like I am drawing some arrows. You can click this circle option and draw some circle on screen. You can choose this square option, and by this feature you can draw anything on your screen. This you can draw in another way. This will undo. This option is undo, and this will erase on your screen, on these arrows on screen. This option is very important. You can choose the color of your arrow. Like I'm selecting blue color. By clicking arrow, this color becomes blue. This feature will take the screenshot of your screen. So I hope you learn how you can record your mobile screen. If you found this video helpful, kindly like. Okay, thank you.